unboxing of the what is this thing called?
It is the
SnowJoe.
SnowJoe, I'm sorry.
Ion
24-inch SR-XRP.
Okay.
Now there's an XR version, and that just means it's the 5 amp one. The XRP gives you the 6 amp.
6 amp.
40 watt dual lithium ion batteries.
80 volt, 24-inch, dual stage, cordless, self-propelled,
6 amp.
6 amp battery. You get 2 of them, and then you get 3 forward plus 1 reverse. So anywhere else in internet world, these things are going for how much?
This particular model, because this
is Freddie Wayne, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, because it has a 6 amp. This is $900 plus.
$900 plus, but we got it at our local Menards, which is a local store in Omaha, Nebraska. I don't know if you have one in York City.
They had clearance.
Clearanced out.
And
how much?
Got them for $3.99.
Still, it's like we stole these. We were looking around to see if somebody was going to arrest us. But this is self-propelled. Got rubber tires. 3 speed forward, 1 speed in reverse. Has the metal grids, not the plastic. And it has a little shovel on the top there. You can knock off snow. Has the adjustable snow thrower. Got lights on it. Right now we're just opening the charger. The charger's gonna get it on the charging block here.
These batteries are cold.
So we're gonna charge it up. So if you live in any cold place like Nebraska, where you get snow and stuff, this is gonna work wonders. So that's it right here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we got 3-speed reverse, forward, reverse lights, and it's automatic, electric, so you can just start it up and go. I'm interested.
We got a 24-inch wide blade.
24-inch wide blade.
13-inch depth, so you know it can handle the deepest. You're not going to find anything at this price, and this is the only and the first. I don't know if it's still the only, but I know it was the first to have that dual stage gear. Dual stage gears, yep. Yeah,
this is a great buy. I mean, this thing is $800-900. You go look at Amazon right now for this, and it'll be it's $800 on Amazon, $844 or something like that. So we thought it was a misprint. We was like, oh yeah, we got there.
Amazon, I think it's probably have the 5 amp one.
Oh, they don't even got the 6 amp one.
Right, not these 40 watt these 40 volt 6 amp batteries.
Yeah.
See this? We got the Pro Series battery that got the 6, amp hour.
So these are even better batteries. I don't know why they was giving these things away like that.
Yeah. So this adds an extra probably maybe 20 minutes to the time that you could get from these.
So a person gets sick of pulling that gas line. You get sick of pulling that gas and mixing gas and doing all that mess, and then after you have it sitting over the summer, you get a nice snow, and you go out there and have to crank that thing for half an hour, 45 minutes with a sore shoulder from yanking that cord. Yeah, that's for the birds. So we getting into this electric era. Oh, and I chipped a nail too. Darn it, I hate that. I chip a nail. Anyway. So yeah, we're gonna put it together and let you guys get a peek at it and maybe get some start and some. I'm curious to know how this sounds because my thing is super loud. It's super smoky. I'm curious to know how quiet this is. So that's gonna be another thing because I don't know much about a electric snowblower, a wireless cordless snowblower. So we'll see. All right, see you in a few. DJ Bishop, peace. Ladies and gentlemen, so basically once you get it out of the box, it's pretty heavy to get out of the box. This thing weighs how much?
105 pounds.
105 pounds, so you're going to take 2 people to get it out unless you just cut it open from the front and just cut the box open and pull it out, but he wanted to keep the box to himself. So what we'll do here, so all you got now really is to connect the snow thrower. Just connect that with some tie on, and then you connect the handlebars, kind of connects there, and then what else we need to connect? That's it?
That's pretty much,
that's
looks
it.
like it's it.
Oh, and then the pole to twist this thingy here.
Oh, yeah.
So this is plastic. This is hard plastic. Everything else, for the most part, metal, plastic. We need to look at the front of the blades. Now I see this. I don't like this thing here. I wish this had wheels, but it's kind of like a slide on the ground. Oh wait, maybe it do have wheels. Is it wheels in there?
Yeah. No, there's not.
Yeah. What's them little black things?
It's the key.
Oh. Huh, you would think it would be some kind of wheels on there because it got holes where something goes there.
I'm thinking that goes somewhere over there. But I'm looking
So those
for
holes look like something slides in there, but you know, I don't see anything. And if we take this off, just to look at the front, it's all metal blades here. And then nice little hard plastic on the bottom. Well, it's either hard plastic or metal. I can't tell what that is on the bottom. That's all metal, so that'll chop up any ice issue you have. Yeah, this is nice. And then you got this little, I don't know what this is, maybe just to unjam the snow or something. If you get snow stuck up in there, that's probably to unjam it, and you can throw that back on there like that and keep moving. So yeah, and then I guess your batteries will go here. 2 battery compartments there. We will go there. But let me look at this box again, because I want to see if it has wheels on it. Can't tell.
Oh, you taking a picture?
Yeah. SnowJoe.com. They don't show you if it has wheels on the bottom. No. Don't think it has wheels. So it just slides across the ground like a sled or something. I wish that had wheels. Anyway. Alright, so we'll get it all put together. So we'll do a sound test. Just kind of show you the installation. What it takes to get this thing installed. So, alright, we'll see you in a few. Peace. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got this thing back. So we got the battery slapped up in there. And we got it all going now. So you got the automatic. So you turn on the key. You got that. That's the emergency stop button. You twist that to pop it up. But if you want to kill everything, you just kill it like that, and all the power goes out. Turn it back off, and everything comes on. And you can see a little blue light down there that lights up. So we're gonna try the headlights. Let's turn it off. Let's see what the headlights look like. My cell phone light is brighter than the headlights. That's crazy. Well, we can't see. Let me see if I can block that light. I can't block the light. Try to block the light on the cell phone. That's it?
Yep. And then that was 1 gear, and then here's reverse. Squeeze the button, it just backs up.
So, only problem that we have, I'm seeing so far with this thing, does not have neutral. So it's like once you put it in the garage, wherever you park it, that's where it's going to be.
You don't want to mess up the gearing by trying to push it without using the power.
There's no neutral.
So you want to put it in first gear if you just have to move it. And then this is the drive. The left handle is for drive. Of course, this is for the auger blade. And so don't mess with that if you're just moving it. And you just squeeze it.
Put it in 3. Let's see how fast. Go 2.
Now we got 2.
That's pretty fast.
You can hear it.
Back it up.
Oh yeah, let me back it up.
All right, let's try 3. Let's see how fast that 3 go. That's pretty fast.
It's a good movement.
Good movement. So, are you going to use 1, 2, or 3 when you're doing your driveway?
I might just need 1.
Just need 1. Okay.
I'll use 3 if it's giving me more power, but I don't know if it's giving more torque. What? Because 3 feels like reverse. This is reverse, and 3 feels about as fast as reverse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's hear the auger. Let's hear what that sound like.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Let me lift it up.
Let me go to the front. Check it out. That's quiet. That is very quiet. That's very quiet. So those things kick that. Oh, so you got like this one back here is chopping up snow, And then you got these two things chopping up snow. Okay, let's hit it again. Let me hear it again. It's not touching the floor. It's not touching the floor. That's on. That's fast as that go, huh? That's not that loud. To be honest, that's really not that loud. If I turn on my gas one, that thing is like, it's super loud, and it'll be throwing a gang of smoke all over this.
Being that this is 105 pounds, you definitely need that self-propelled motor to.
This will be tough to move around if it wasn't self-propelled because it's so big.
So the auger, of course, is the blade motor, and then you got the wheels that uses the drive motors to move around. So that's very important.
That's quiet. That's really quiet, ladies and gentlemen.
That's one gear. This is great for my driver with the hail. They're coming really handy.
Yeah, like the headlights is an afterthought. My cell phone,
they are.
My cell phone light is way brighter than that.
I mean, if it was pitch black, then it probably make a lot of sense.
Yeah, my cell phone.
Here's the keys.
There's a key. You get keys to it.
So you could, if you got your wife, his and hers.
Keys. I don't know why you need a key on it, but that's fine.
Extra
These
key,
don't.
Extra key makes sense.
Can't turn up brighter, can they?
No, they don't have no level.
So if you got a cell phone, your cell phone light's brighter. So I know on this this phone is brighter. So there you go. So can't wait for the snow, huh? You probably got snow in your driveway to get up now, so he can try it. Right off the truck and do his driveway all the way, and then clear the path in front. Do you still park on the street or no?
I gotta move that Nissan. It's sitting in the driveway. I forgot to.
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna plow in front of it.
Yeah.
Initially, and then I'll get it. I'm gonna have to maneuver.
It's got to get moved. This ain't gonna fit past it, is it?
There's a little bit of the hill in the neighbor's yard.
Well, I'm gonna get off this video. Thanks for watching. This is the video of the what is it? SnowJoe. SnowJoe. Ion 24 SR SB dash XP XRP. Jeez, I can't read. So SnowJoe Ion 24 SB dash XRP. 80 volt, 24 inch wide, dual stage, cordless, which is mean you get the lithium batteries. Self-propelled, 3 forward plus 1 reverse. The lithium
is 13 inches.
80 volt, 6.0 amp.
24 inch, 2500 watt brushless
25
motor.
watt.
Here's some more information right there too. Because we got the XRP, not the XR model, so we get the 80 volt 6 amp battery. That gives us up to this much time. The one that uses the 5 amp gives you up to 40 minutes.
Brushless to get 2-year warranty. So you get a 24 inch clearance, plow capacity of 1,000 pounds, throw distance 32 feet, run time up to 50 minutes, depth of snow cut 13 inches, 2,500 watt brushless motor. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Get yourself one of these. And I don't know if you're gonna get it at that great price we got it at, but
unless you got a Menards that got a clearance.
yeah, you got a Menards with a clearance in your city. And Menards is just like a Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. Same thing. But all right, thanks for watching the video. DJ Bishop, Freddie Wayne. There you go.